Artificial intelligence, AI, blessing or curse. Artificial intelligence, AI, is neither a definitive blessing nor a curse. Its impact depends on how it is developed, regulated, and used. Experts generally agree that the future of AI hinges on human choices and the frameworks we build to manage its development. It is a powerful double-edged sword, capable of driving tremendous progress, while also introducing significant risks and ethical dilemmas. AI is a blessing, the potential for positive transformation, enhanced efficiency and productivity. AI can automate repetitive tasks, optimize processes, and analyze vast amounts of data at speeds far beyond human capability. This boosts productivity and allows humans to focus on creative, strategic, and emotionally complex work. Revolutionary medical advancements. In healthcare, AI is used for early disease detection through image analysis, accelerating drug discovery, and developing personalized treatment plans. Robotic-assisted surgery is also improving precision and patient outcomes. Scientific and environmental breakthroughs. AI is accelerating scientific research by analyzing complex data sets in fields like genomics and physics. It also offers tools to address global challenges, such as climate change, by optimizing energy consumption and predicting environmental patterns. Improved safety and security. AI-powered systems can handle dangerous tasks, such as bomb disposal, and can enhance cybersecurity by detecting threats in real time. Autonomous vehicles also have the potential to improve road safety. Personalized experiences. AI helps provide customized user experiences across many industries. This ranges from tailored product recommendations in retail to personalized learning platforms in education that adapt to a student's individual needs. AI is a curse. The potential for negative consequences, job displacement, and economic inequality. AI-driven automation is a significant threat to jobs, especially those involving repetitive tasks in manufacturing, customer service, and data entry. This could lead to widespread unemployment and exacerbate socioeconomic inequality. Ethical issues and algorithmic bias. AI systems are trained on human-generated data, which can contain existing societal biases. These biases can be amplified by AI, leading to discriminatory outcomes in areas like hiring, criminal justice, and loan approvals. Privacy and surveillance concerns. The massive data collection required for AI raises significant privacy issues. The misuse of personal data, potential data breaches, and the expansion of surveillance capabilities are serious and growing concerns. Lack of accountability and transparency. The decision-making processes of complex AI models can be opaque black boxes, making it difficult to understand how they arrive at a conclusion. This lack of transparency complicates assigning legal and ethical accountability when an AI system causes harm. Misinformation and manipulation. Generative AI can create realistic fake content or deepfakes that can be used to spread misinformation and manipulate public opinion. This poses a threat to information integrity and can further polarize societies. Existential risks. In the long term, highly advanced AI could pose an existential risk to humanity if its goals are not perfectly aligned with human values. The development of autonomous weapons that can make kill decisions without human intervention is one such high-stakes scenario. The path forward. Ultimately, the outcome of AI's integration into society will be determined by a global and inclusive dialogue. Responsible development and thoughtful regulation are crucial for navigating the challenges and ensuring that AI is used to benefit humanity. This includes establishing robust legal and ethical frameworks, investing in workforce reskilling and education to address job market changes, prioritizing transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI development, promoting a human-centric approach that emphasizes human oversight and preserves human skills and creativity. The bottom line is, we should embrace AI where it accelerates human creativity and keep it out where it does more harm than good. Looking forward, it's likely that the most successful ideas won't come from bright thinkers alone, but from those who are best at mindfully steering machines all the while, ensuring that they remain firmly in the driver's seat.
If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Knowledge and Entertainment. Your support motivates us to bring more knowledge-packed content in an engaging way. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.